Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your January overview. Let's see what this beautiful new month of a lovely new year is going to bring my Libra gang. And these are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with all of you out there, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of January 2021, as well as guidance as to how to navigate these energies to have a lovely month ahead. Thank you. So Libra, let's start with an angel blessing card and see how my angels will bless this reading, and then we'll take it on from there. Blessing, advice, or a message for my Libra gang spirit. Oops. All right. Blessing, advice, or a message card for Libra, please. This one. All right. Let's keep this here, Libra. And the card I have for you here, Libra, is generosity. It's time not to just give of things, but I think, Libra, also of yourself. It's time not just to be generous with people around you, but also to yourself. All right. So I've read up on this card. Generosity always. The first thought that you think of, oh my God, angels are asking me to be generous with others, and I'm already doing so much for so many people, and blah blah blah, whatever. But sometimes when this card comes out, it also indicates that you have to now also give to yourself. If you have been depleting yourself by squandering too much of energy on everything and anyone else and not taking yourself into account, it's time to see what you need. I was trying to do this reading earlier, Libra, and in fact I did it twice, and each time I got cut short. But the angel blessing card, two times, both the readings, was the same, and it was the mother card, right? What does the mother embody? Unconditional love. So it's the same kind of a message here, where unconditional love is required. Maybe it could also be meaning that you have neglected somebody for a long time, and it's time to give of yourself and unconditional love to a particular thing or a person, but also to yourself. Okay? Don't ever disregard yourself, because if you get depleted, you can't give to anyone else either, right? So welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for all your likes, your comments. Those really help in circulating the video and reaching more and more people. And thanks also for your generous donations to the channel. It's very appreciated. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Libra, let's see what's in store for you for January. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Libra, my email is in the description box below, as well as the About section of the channel. All right. And we're good to go. 6 of Swords, bottom of my deck, wanting to leave some troubled times behind and move to a calmer place for yourself, or maybe with someone else, who knows. So the first card in your current position, oh my God, is the Devil. Libra, what are you obsessing over? Let's see your past. 7 of Pentacles, and coming up is the Knight of Pentacles. So what's this Devil card, Spirit? What is this? What's happening here in Libra's life? Oh my God. You are madly in love, it seems, Libra. This could be you, this could be your person, and I think your partner is no longer giving to the connection. And see, okay, one partner is madly in love here, obsessively, madly in love. But it seems that their partner is no longer wanting to give to the connection. They have turned their love away. They don't want to grow or have any fertility, abundance with this person anymore. The Empress is in reverse, right? So feeling the lack of love, yet being totally obsessed. Obsessed. I love this person and I can't feel their energy anymore. Maybe there was a. Let me take one more card for this devil. It's too interesting. The devil spirit. What's this? Ace of Cups. The devil and the Empress. Oh my God. The devil again. Devil is here again. Somebody, even though there was a lot of love in this equation, maybe some toxicity came into this partnership. Somebody has released this devilish situation. This could be addictions, this could be fear, this could be regret, this could be anger issues, could be fights, could be something. And somebody has said, I no longer want to deal with this, I'm no longer going to give to this situation, and I'm releasing it, even though there was so much potential, so much love here. Something really toxic happened here, and that's in your current position. Somebody is no longer wanting to grow with something and is releasing it. Even though there's a big cup of love here. Oh my God, that is sad. Really sad. Why did this happen, Spirit? What's this Seven of Pentacles? Was there a question of investing into this relationship? Maybe somebody didn't invest into this relationship. Yes, somebody's pride and ego. Oh my God, that was the devil. That was the devil. Somebody was playing around. Somebody was being immature. Somebody was not wanting to give up their freedom here. Yes. Somebody delayed taking action. Somebody really delayed taking action. They were still waiting and watching and keeping an eye open here, there, everywhere, creating a lot of delays in something that could have had the potential of this Ten of Pentacles, Libra. And yes, they were in their ego and pride. This person, whoever didn't invest, was in their ego and pride and still looking over their shoulder to say, hey, I've got this. Maybe there's something better out there. Look at this person, knowing that they have this sword and they're supposed to move forward with it. But this person is looking behind to see, oh my God, maybe there's something else. And that's where the devil comes in. They got tempted onto other things, which started to create all these delays in a beautiful partnership that had the potential of going the long haul. This ego, this pride, this me attitude forbade them from investing into something which was fantastic. Okay? And I think their partner decided to release the connection and not stay stuck in something that they were suffering alone by themselves. They said, okay, if you don't want to invest, I don't want to think about it either. Yes, even though I love you very much, I find this situation very toxic. Right? So here I am releasing this toxicity and I am no longer wishing to grow with somebody who's not going to invest in this. So that is what's happening here. So what's happening in January then, Spirit? What's this Knight of Pentacles? Things are still halted here in January. Oh my God, things are still halted in January. I think the person who's left behind, I think both of you are now suffering from this major heartbreak because the love was there, right? The love was there, the love was pure, the potential was there, and now one person is feeling, oh my God, what did I do? What did I do? This relationship is just not moving now. Look at this horse, not even lifting one foot ahead of the other. There is now a blockage going towards their partner because I think somebody really messed up big time. Big time. So January also, I'm seeing a lot of stress and tension, but not knowing how to move forward. Yes, they know now what their choice is. They know what their choice is. They, if this person had a lot of options, if they were looking behind to see if the grass was greener on the other side, or maybe I can have somebody better, maybe I have so many cups to choose from, and why should I commit? And that broke their partner's heart. Libra, this could be you, this could be your cross watcher, I don't know. But this person has now figured out that this is the cup which was always for them. And they are also realizing now that they're suffering bad luck because now the wheel of fortune is stuck. Totally stuck. Nothing is going to move forward or is not moving forward. And they are desperately trying to find some way that they can come out of this stuck position. They don't see any way out, and that's breaking their heart as well, because all they do is cry, suffer, not sleep, and can't find any way to head towards their partner now. Because I think their partner, who was actually an empress. Now the empress, when she is pushed off a throne, that doesn't work. It doesn't work. She's not, no. So Empress is your card. So that could be you, Libra. Somebody did that to you, but please know that they are suffering big time. Luck is not on their side. I think all their other options are gone, or they don't want their other options. They now know that what they've done and suffering big time. So what is it that Libra is holding on to? Still holding on to being very defensive. That's the reason. If Libra, this is your story, that's the reason things are not coming back together, because you or your partner is being a little defensive here. Things have come to a stagnancy because somebody maybe still holding on to third-party situations here. And that's the reason their partner is being very defensive. Things have come to a halt here, and the partner, who was the Empress in reverse, has now headed off to a fresh new beginning, a fresh new start for themselves, and no longer waiting around. So if you are being defensive here, if you're holding back, Libra, Spirit's message to you is you'll have to put in some work here. You can't stay holding back and expecting things to move if you are not going to work towards it, right? So yes, there you have to head back now, Libra. You have to head back to this person to make things right, or this will be the end of this relationship. Your partner is already on their way out and starting a brand new chapter. Or maybe this could be you. If you want to have this fresh new beginning with your partner, you will have to put the work in. You can't be defensive. You can't hold on to this feeling that I will never say things, but things should just happen. You have to head back and try and work things out to have this fresh new beginning with your partner. So what is it that you should let go of? Let go of overthinking it. Okay? So whichever partner who made the wrong decision here is still in their head, going round and round and round, and not sleeping at night, and stressing. So Spirit is saying you have to let that go now. Okay? Instead of thinking with your head, start feeling with your heart. That's the way you can head back and maybe get a chance to have a fresh beginning with this person. You have to be generous with your emotions now. Start giving. That mother card, remember I told you about, that also means unconditional love. You will have to go out there and prove yourself that you mean business this time. So, 8 of Swords, Spirit, letting go. What else should Libra let go of now? Let go of the feeling, Libra, that things will never be rectified. Things can never come up again. The sun can never come up again. You will never be accepted back again. And also let go of just waiting around and doing nothing. This is in the letting go position. I think Libra, you or your cross watcher, I don't know, what this person is doing is overthinking it, overstressing it, but not doing anything about it. They're just standing there and waiting for some magic to happen. But magic only happens with effort. You put in the work and the universe responds, right? You can't just stand here and wait for things to be rectified and not feel happy that nothing is happening. So Spirit is saying you have to let go of this and I think take some action here. Let's see what's going to be your biggest blockage. King of Wands. Why is that a blockage, Spirit? For what's going to become your biggest blockage, Libra, now? Or this could be your cross watcher once again. If you keep up with your pride and ego, if you are still showing that, hey, I don't need anyone in my life, I'm doing well, I have everything going for me, I have all these suitors, I have all these businesses, and not going towards your partner with a genuine offer of love or an apology. Okay, if you can't do that, this will become a blockage in your life. This facade, this mask that you have been wearing. Now again, this could be you wearing this mask, Libra, or your partner is. Somebody is trying to pretend to be something that they are not. Right now, actually, they're feeling miserable with their life. But this mask that they wear is going to become a huge blockage in their life where they will never be able to come forth with any kind of love offer, or maybe their pride is not allowing them to come forward with an apology. So this mask has to be dropped, or else it's going to become a blockage for any future happiness to get your person back. How do people see you? Yes, see, this is how people are seeing you. People are seeing you that you have a lot of options, I have lots of stuff going on, I have so much to choose from, I'm not missing anyone, I don't need anyone, I can always pick and choose whoever I want. This is the impression this masculine energy is giving the world, and that's exactly how their partner is seeing them as well, and no wonder they've left them and are going off for a fresh new beginning for themselves. They're saying, hey, if you have so many options, then you don't need me, right? So I'm off. And this is that mask that one person is wearing. Why do people see Libra as the Seven of Cups, Spirit? People who know you very well and very closely, Libra, can see right through this facade. You can pretend as much as you want, but people around you know that you are still hanging on to somebody from the past. You are still thinking, wishing, hoping, still wanting to keep that chapter open with this past person. This could be your best friend, this could be your sister, brother, sibling, parent, somebody who knows you really well. They are, or maybe you've also told them about the situation. They see that you're feeling something has backfired on you. Maybe you played a game here and you're the one who lost here. And yes, they see you as not feeling a bit confused now as to how to reignite the passion and go back to this person who you don't want to close this chapter off with. Okay, so as much as you're trying to pretend, the people closest to you are seeing you rather confused and feeling rather lost and beaten down here. Let's see what Spirit's secret advice is to you. King of Cups is your secret advice, Libra. Whoever this masculine is in this equation, Spirit knows that your heart is full of love for this person. You adore this person, except you are keeping your emotions hidden. This mask that you wear is your problem, Libra. You always, I think, have this bow and arrow in one hand and this cup of love in one. So each time you show a little bit of emotion, you pull it back and you put one dagger into your person to say, actually, I may not even love you. I don't even care for you. Why? Because you're always afraid of being vulnerable. So this is Spirit's secret advice to you, that this is the problem and you have to drop the act now. What else, Spirit, as your secret advice to Libra here? Yes, see, what a clear message here, Libra. If you've been standing at crossroads all this while thinking, should I not, should I not, what should I do, should I commit to my person, should I actually show them my heart, or should I always hold back and pretend. Spirit is saying, this is your advice. The truth is very important here, Libra. If you want to have any kind of happiness in your life with your person, you have to lay your cards open now. If you wish to leave this conflict behind and move forward to a good place in your life, with love in your life, you have to be honest here. This mask that you wear is a facade. That's lies. Lies will never get you anywhere. This sword of truth is what the universe is handing to you in January. It's up to you now, Libra. You have free will. Do you want to keep all this love in your heart forever, or do you want to speak the truth? Make a decision here to go and speak your truth to the person so all this conflict can finally end. And then see how much happiness that comes into your life. I'm sure if you're generous with your love, it will be reciprocated sooner than later. Okay, it could be a bit tough right now because somebody doesn't have trust in you at all. So Libra, this is you not trusting your partner or your partner not trusting you. Take it the way it resonates with you. The energies can be flip-flopped here, okay? So yes, one person has been hiding their love. So that's what Spirit is saying. Drop this facade now. People can see through all your games now. And in the mix, even though your partner may be seeing through the facade, they want to believe you now because they're hurting, you're hurting. So they're saying, I don't want to play this game anymore. I'm going off for a fresh new beginning. So in this entire mix, all I have are broken hearts. Nobody's really happy here because of this. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Take care, love and light. See you on Friday for your Love Bite.